Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ruling out the obvious external causes. Check your ISP outage map or account status because you can't fix a remote outage. Once done, power cycle the modem first, then the router. Unplug both for about 30 seconds to clear transient faults and re-establish handshake. Make sure all coax, DSL, or Ethernet cables are snug and undamaged. Loose connectors cause link drops. If your modem has a battery backup, remove it briefly too. These steps reset the link and expose deeper issues. Next, log into the modem's status page to read upstream and downstream signal levels and SNR. Values out of range indicate line problems. If you suspect cabling, swap to a known good coax or Ethernet and test the modem directly to a laptop to bypass the router. Once done, isolate functions by disabling router DHCP or using router in access point mode. This shows whether the router or modem is failing. Make sure firmware versions are current, but avoid interruptions during modem firmware updates. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after recording current settings and confirming your ISP will re-provision the device, because reset clears registration. Once complete, power up and allow the modem to re-register with the provider. This often restores service. If you still see no internet, call your ISP and provide signal statistics and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: log the exact outage times and SNR/power readings. Technicians can correlate those with network events and resolve intermittent faults faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.